DTN is certainly delighted and grateful to be a part of this Lightning Talk series and to demonstrate how we are using Esri technology to anticipate weather hazards, keep people safe, and help our clients maintain their business operations. On behalf of the engineering development team at DTN, again, thankful for this opportunity to present our work. Our team consists of Ty Parzybach, Katie Ward, Brandon Taylor, J.R. Henley, Brent Kraninger, and Tommy Mai. A principal focus at DTN is just to provide critical services and insights for forecasting, detecting, diagnosing hazardous weather and ocean conditions with the goal of anticipating perilous weather, ocean hazards before they happen so that our customers may keep their operations running smoothly, efficiently, and most of all, really keeping their customers and keeping patrons safe. DTN maintains and curates about 150 plus data layers and services. I have a list here just to highlight a few. We have global radar across 4 continents, satellite data, rainfall accumulation data, which is really what we'll be focusing on today, as well as extreme hazards related to tornadoes, hail, lightning, icing, tropical storms, ocean currents, and waves. All of these data available from DTN are available as Esri REST services, easily consumable in Esri technology and Esri platform. Now, we leverage Esri technology to support all of this content and capabilities using the ArcGIS Enterprise deployed in the AWS cloud. Specifically, we're using ArcGIS Server 10.7.1, 10.8 is on the horizon for us. And we're using Esri mapping widget applications provided through Web App Builder in both the ArcGIS Online platform as well as the Developer Edition. We also use ArcGIS API for JavaScript for custom applications. I want to introduce what we call the HydroMet Portal. And the HydroMet Portal, it leverages the many layer services related to rainfall, of course, the ArcGIS tools to build map applications. Again, this focuses upon extreme precipitation that is leading to flooding. We see this as a decision support tool for floods, flash floods, extreme heavy rainfall, providing weather insights to those in flood control districts, dam operators, water resource managers, and also emergency managers. We've built this using Web App Builder, specifically the Developer Edition. And we want to give you a tour of this application through a case study that we have put together in which there was a dam failure in central Michigan in May of this year. This is just a general overview, so we're just like composite image of the capabilities of the HydroMet Portal, again, using the Web App Builder Developer Edition. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see perhaps what are familiar widgets through Web App Builder. We have the layer list widget, map gallery, bookmarks, drawing widget, etc. In the upper left corner, we have a couple of custom widgets available here and within the HydroMet Portal, one for animation for time-enabled data such as radar, but we also have point weather forecast widget as well that allows you to get a forecast at any point in the globe. Now, our portal tour for HydroMet, again, is in the context of a dam failure that occurred in central Michigan in May 19th of this year. This was characterized by very heavy rainfall that occurred in central Michigan over about a 48-hour period, resulting in flood stage conditions along the Saginaw and Tittabawassee rivers. This resulted in dam failure in Edenville and Sanford dams in Michigan on the afternoon and evening of May 19th, resulting in very severely flooded and really catastrophic conditions from the floods in the downstream communities. What we have here is a 24-hour forecast of gridded rainfall. And this is a forecast that was issued the day before. This is basically a 24-hour forecast issued on May 18th, valid for 12Z on May 19th, 2020. We are showing here a localized area of 4 to 5 inches of rainfall just north of the dam locations noted here in the black triangles. Furthermore, we show here that there's 4 to 5 inches of rainfall anticipated within a particular basin catchment also located north of the dams. Again, this is a forecast of rainfall within this basin issued 24 hours previous to the actual failures of the dam themselves. Next, I want to show what we call the annual exceedance probability. And this is what we call the probability or likelihood that an event will occur within a given period of time. It's an indication of rarity in an event. In this case, we're indicating a 50-year rainfall event or likelihood in this particular basin, approximately 10 to 15 miles north of the dam area. 50-year rainfall basically is equivalent to a 2% chance of this particular kind of event, either forecasted or observed for a given year. Now, here is the observed 24-hour rainfall based upon radar data, which has been both gauge corrected and also uses satellite data to come up with these rainfall estimates. And we're showing 3 to 4 inches of rainfall actually observed or estimated from the radar data themselves, just north of the dam locations. The basin rainfall shows several of the basins where 2.5 inches of rainfall have actually occurred over a relatively broad area. Now, our annual exceedance probability, again, this probability that a particular event or a measure of the extreme nature of this, we're only showing a 5-year rainfall, which is less than what was forecasted, but it is likely that the antecedent conditions, which we're actually able to show in the time that we have here, of the rainfall that actually occurred days prior, contributed perhaps also to the resulting flooding event. Also want to demonstrate or illustrate that the HydroMet Portal does contain an alerting system. This is a user configurable tool that provides email and text notifications to users when a particular point or user-defined point or area is anticipated to experience significant rainfall. And again, this is based upon these analytics that have shown the QPE, or the estimated amount of precipitation, as well as the annual exceedance probability. And in summary, in this lightning talk, the HydroMet Portal is a blend of both DTN rainfall data and analytics and Esri ArcGIS web app builder technology. The HydroMet Portal represents what we believe to be a unique and a very valuable tool to practitioners and those in the flood control business and those who are responsible for emergency management operations to interrogate and anticipate extreme precipitation and events that result in flooding type perils. And with that, that's the end of my talk. I really appreciate you listening.